Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to do a review on the Colourpop Blue Moon palette. So here's what the palette looks like. We're going to get right into it. Guys, it is so pretty. Don't be deceived by my lighting. It always makes my palettes and everything look way better and cleaner than what they actually are. Guys, this is so beautiful. I'm so happy I picked this up. They're like the perfect shades of blue. I had no problem so far with any type of blending, patchiness, anything like that. And I love that we got this kind of duochrome shade here where it's like a white with a blue flip. Is amazing, and I love having this silver. And I'm super pumped. I got it in the set where it came with the like navy liner as well as the silver. I've had fun with that as well, including that to the looks. I've used this a few times now. God, I love it. Got nothing bad to say about it. I was really happy. I got a lot of compliments on the looks I got. Very beautiful pigment. It reminds me of being younger and first getting into makeup, and it was really popular to do the frosty blue, but obviously way better. But it totally gave me flashbacks of that. But love this. Really recommend this. I think if you are, especially you love blue, you're trying to get the color, really recommend these. These are all really great. Absolutely love the blue. It's, oh, they're just so gorgeous. You got periwinkles, you got light blues. They all just work out so nicely. So highly recommend this. You do get a mirror. You get the shade names both on the shadows as well as on the back. Nice, compact. Got nothing bad to say. Definitely recommend trying this out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to me. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.